This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food storage containers. Specifically, these Metlux cold food storage containers with volume markers and lids. These clear, square containers come with different color-coded markings. The 2-quart and 4-quart containers have the green volume markings. They're 7 inches square on the top. The 2-quart is 4 inches high, and the 4-quart is 7¼ inches high. And you'll see they both get paired with that green lid. The red volume marker containers are available in the 6-quart, which we have here. It's 9 inches square on top and 7.5 inches high. It's also available in an 8-quart size and matches with the red lid. The blue volume marker containers come in a 12, 18, and 22-quart size. They're all 11 inches square on top. The 12-quart is 8 inches high. The 18 is 12 inches high. And the 22 is 15¾ inches high. And these containers pair with those blue lids. The lids are all sold separately and are meant to coordinate with those volume markings on the side. You see they feature a nice indent that gives them that nice secure fit over the rim of those containers. And they've also got a nice corner tab to make them easy to get on and off. And they feature a nice labeling spot for a date or to name your recipe. The colors of the lids coordinate with those markings on the side. So the green fits the 2 and 4 quarts, the red fits the 6 and 8, and the blue fits the 12, 18, and 22-quart containers. These containers are perfect for cold foods and dry goods. They're great for organizing your fridge, your walk-in refrigerator, and even your pantry. They've got great high-quality plastic that's durable and resists both stains and odors, so you can even use them for things like fish, onions, and garlic. The clear containers and markings allow you to easily identify ingredients and foods. That makes them great for checking on inventory, especially if you're using them for dry goods in the pantry, but also they can be used when crafting recipes to do quick volume measures as well. The containers are suitable to be used in temperatures from -40 all the way up to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. They're dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup, and those lids feature a nice, tight, secure fit that's perfect for containing spills and preventing messes, and even helping to prevent cross-contamination in your kitchen. They're great for transporting foods, not only within your own kitchen and restaurant, but also to off-site jobs and locations for caterers. I also love that the containers with the same color markings are even stackable. They've got a slight taper to them, which means that they'll sit right on top. So especially the small ones are fantastic for organizing that pantry. These are perfect organizational tools for any kitchen.